Welcome back to channel CAD.com. Alright, in today's video, we're going to learn about how to make and detail out a wardrobe in an office. So basically, we have the storage right over here, right in front of the entry. So we are gonna make it look not bulky, and we are going to look it very nice. So first of all, we'll start with the lower portion. So we'll have a lower storage that will be up to 1000 mm, and from 1000 mm to maybe 350 we will have a open space, a quite good open space right over here. So basically that they can the people over there can basically just throw stuff when they come into office, or just can be used for a good, like a good showcase kind of a thing. So there is a column here, so we'll just 235, so we'll make it pop down to 200. So this is the first drag that we are doing, and here we will also have one more. We'll make this handleless, so we need to pop this up. So basically the shape that is always there when we do handleless is of 50 mm. So basically we can just do it right over here like this, a square. Just pop the square off, uh, right like this, and then we make a small arch right over here. So basically that helps you open the main door, and that also we will divide it in two parts, so we won't have one big door, we'll have two big doors, of course. So we'll just make a line in between that indicates that this is a door, and here we have two handleless doors right over here, and again the same thing will be done on the upper side too. We'll do 20, and again we'll do 25. We'll pop this up, and again a small arch that will be used for opening the door. After learning them thoroughly, we will also learn how to smartly make a wardrobe just like this. So on the other side, we have three similar cupboards. So basically how the whole plan was, it was at the basic level planned like this, but when we go to a bigger level, then what we do is that we make it more simpler. So basically what we have to do is select the whole line and right click on it and click on divide. So basically, and how many ever segments that you want, you can just type in and you can just make it. Okay, so basically what we'll do is we will make similar three components. So right now, this is a group. We will just make this as a component by our shortcut of Control G. So it is now a component. So basically what we will do is we will basically place this three right over here. So what is a good thing about this is that if you change any even one thing in a single cupboard, all the three will change automatically. So first we will make a 10 mm gap between all the cupboards. So basically that is for the doors to open, and again this also will be handleless. So what we will do is we will make an handleless panel right over here. We'll select this, make it 20, we make it go back 20, and here basically this line is our door, and with that we will make a small arch that is for making it handleless, and we'll simply remove this line. So we basically have this groove right over here, in which the hand is actually inserted, and then the door will open. So here also we have detailed it out like this. So if anything even changes in a single component, then all the component will also change. So that is how easy it is to make a cupboard smartly in SketchUp.